Hello guys, thank you for joining another episode of Mukbang with your host, Dongdigity. Today I'm going to try a escargo BIBIMBOP, so escargot fried rice. Only time I tried escargot was more like in French dining way, but never in a fried rice before. And I was just walking by, right, at H Mart, and then I was like, what in the world is that? Never tried it, so I'm going to try it. But to enhance it, I decided to put a fried egg on top, and I got me some 참기름, which is sesame oil. Add some. And mix it with gochujang. But let me try it without it actually. It already has like sauce already mixed with soy sauce. Now I'll make it better. What I know of escargot is it's a snail. So I don't know if this is actual snail or, but it's called escargot, so I think it's spelled differently too. It's Korean escargot. What's Korean escargot? Hope you guys are having a great day. It tastes just like any like shellfish. Well, obviously I hidden the taste, right? Because I decided to mix it in all of this. So to enjoy my escargot bibimbap, I have made myself a buldak udon, hot chicken flavor udon. Yay. So now we just have to mix it. 이가 마치는 ramen. Ooh, cooking sauce. Ooh. This is just seaweed. Mix it up. And then I got myself a bowl. There are so many brands that's coming out with that. Spicy chicken, hot chicken, fire chicken, volcano chicken. Good thing I didn't make it too spicy with the rice, because this definitely balances out.
맛있겠다.
Sorry, I got interrupted because Kimmy just came home from visiting her last place for decoration. Give them the dough. And now we're officially done with wedding planning. Holy, it's a little bit spicy. A little bit, just a little bit. If somebody told me there's like something else in here, like clam or something, I'll believe that. Oh, it's definitely hard to tell. It's not bad. It's a quick meal. Because the instructions said put it in the microwave, cook it for 4 minutes. That's it. Simple as that. Quick meal. I don't even know how they come up with this kind of stuff so quick. It has everything. Escargo, zucchini, canola oil, spinach, onion, potato, leek, mushroom, garlic, sugar, chili, pepper, bracken, black bean paste, red pepper powder. That's everything. I had this dream, right? It's somewhat like nightmare, but so it was my wedding day, and they said, oh, we only have 3 minutes left, but my hair, nothing was ready. Like, I was wearing my normal clothes, my normal hat and everything, and they said, oh, you only have 3 minutes, we're gonna start. And I was freaking out, and I was doing my hair, tried to put on the suit, and it's not like how I wanted, but I ended up doing the ceremony. And after ceremony, I was trying to fix my hair and, like, you know, look a little better than before. And then I came back into the reception. They said the reception's over. I was so, like, salty and sad. It's like, this is my wedding. So yeah, and then I woke up and I was like, whoa. And I talked about it with Kimmy, and then she's like, oh, I have that kind of dream every day. Now I was kind of getting nervous. Well, so that was a quick meal. Spicy. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Well, thank you so much for watching and have a good one.